The Mariana Trench. A scar on our planet, a gash in the Earth's crust that plunges deeper than Mount Everest is tall. This underwater canyon, located in the western Pacific Ocean, is a place of mystery and wonder, a realm of perpetual darkness and immense pressure. It is a place where life, tenacious and strange, finds a way to thrive against all odds. The Mariana Trench stretches for over 1,500 miles, a crescent-shaped abyss that marks the boundary where the Pacific Plate dives beneath the Philippine Sea Plate. This process, known as subduction, is responsible for the creation of the trench and for the intense volcanic and seismic activity in the region, known as the Ring of Fire. For centuries, the Mariana Trench remained a hidden world, its depths unplumbed, its secrets unknown. The first attempts to measure the depth of the Mariana Trench were made in the late 19th century, using weighted ropes lowered from ships. These early efforts provided only crude estimates, but they hinted at the extraordinary depths that lay below. In 1875, the HMS Challenger, a British survey ship, used sounding equipment to record a depth of over 26,000 feet, marking the first scientific confirmation of the trench's existence. The true extent of the trench's depths, however, would remain a mystery for several decades. It was not until the advent of sonar technology in the mid-20th century that scientists were able to accurately map the ocean floor and reveal the full scale of the Mariana Trench. In 1951, the HMS Challenger II, a British survey ship named after its predecessor, used sonar to record a depth of nearly 7 miles, a measurement that stunned the scientific community. The deepest point of the trench, later named Challenger Deep in honor of the ship, became an irresistible target for exploration, a challenge to push the limits of human ingenuity. The first humans to venture into the Challenger Deep were Jacques Piccard and Walsh, aboard the bathyscaphe Trieste in 1960. Their descent was a feat of engineering and courage, a plunge into the abyss that captured the world's imagination. The Trieste, a submersible vessel designed to withstand crushing pressures, took nearly 5 hours to reach the bottom of the trench. Upon reaching the bottom, Piccard and Walsh spent about 20 minutes in the darkness, peering through the portholes of the Trieste at the alien landscape beyond. They reported seeing flatfish and other creatures, a testament to life's ability to adapt to seemingly impossible conditions. Their dive marked a pivotal moment in deep-sea exploration, opening a window into a world previously considered unreachable. The Mariana Trench may seem like a hostile and unforgiving environment, yet it teems with life, a testament to the power of adaptation. The creatures that inhabit this extreme environment have evolved unique characteristics that allow them to survive in perpetual darkness, under crushing pressure, and with scarce food resources. These adaptations are a testament to the ingenuity of life and provide valuable insights into the limits of biological survival. One of the most striking features of many deep-sea creatures is their bioluminescence, the ability to produce their own light. In the absence of sunlight, bioluminescence serves a variety of purposes, from attracting prey to deterring predators. Some species, like the anglerfish, use bioluminescent lures to entice prey in the darkness, while others, like the hatchetfish, use it for camouflage, blending in with the faint light filtering down from the surface. Section 5. The Pressure Cooker, Surviving Crushing Depths. The immense pressure at the bottom of the Mariana Trench, over 1,000 times the pressure at sea level, is one of the most significant challenges to life. To survive this crushing weight, deep-sea creatures have evolved a number of adaptations. Many have soft, gelatinous bodies that are more resistant to pressure changes. Their internal organs are also adapted to function under these extreme conditions. Some creatures, like the deep-sea hatchetfish, have evolved specialized enzymes that help to regulate the fluidity of their cell membranes under pressure. Others, like the giant amphipod, have a high concentration of a molecule called trimethylamine oxide, or TMAO, in their tissues. TMAO helps to prevent proteins from being distorted by pressure, allowing these creatures to function at depths where other organisms would be crushed. Section 6. The Abyssal Food Chain, a Delicate Balance. The deep sea is a food-scarce environment, and the Mariana Trench is no exception. The creatures that inhabit this environment have developed unique strategies for finding and consuming food. Many are scavengers, relying on the slow rain of organic matter known as marine snow that drifts down from the surface. Others are predators, using stealth, camouflage, and bioluminescence to hunt in the darkness. At the base of the abyssal food chain are bacteria and other microorganisms that can chemosynthesize, meaning they can convert inorganic compounds such as methane and sulfur into energy, much like plants use sunlight for photosynthesis. These chemosynthetic organisms form the basis of a unique ecosystem around hydrothermal vents, fissures in the ocean floor that spew out hot mineral-rich fluids. Section 7. Bioluminescence in the deep, lighting up the darkness. In the perpetual darkness of the Mariana Trench, bioluminescence is not just a spectacle, it's a lifeline. It is a language of light, used for communication, hunting, and defense. Some creatures, like the anglerfish, have evolved bioluminescent lures that dangle in front of their mouths, attracting unsuspecting prey. The light emitted by these lures can mimic the movements of small crustaceans or jellyfish, luring prey close enough to be snatched. Other creatures use bioluminescence for defense. The vampire squid, for example, can release a cloud of bioluminescent mucus that startles and confuses predators, allowing it to escape. The hatchetfish, on the other hand, uses bioluminescence for camouflage. It has photophores, light-producing organs along its underside that emit light, matching the faint glow filtering down from the surface. This counter-illumination makes it difficult for predators looking up from below to see the hatchetfish's silhouette. Section 8. The significance of hydrothermal vents. Hydrothermal vents discovered in the 1970s are one of the most remarkable features of the deep ocean. These fissures in the Earth's crust spew out superheated water, rich in dissolved minerals, creating oases of life in the otherwise barren depths. The discovery of hydrothermal vents revolutionized our understanding of life on Earth, demonstrating that life can exist in the absence of sunlight. The ecosystems that thrive around hydrothermal vents are unlike anything found on the Earth's surface. Instead of sunlight, chemosynthetic bacteria form the base of the food chain, converting chemicals from the vent fluids into energy. These bacteria support a diverse community of organisms, including giant tube worms, clams, mussels, and shrimp, all adapted to tolerate the extreme temperatures and chemical conditions. Section 9. The mystery of the giant amoeba. In 2011, scientists exploring the Mariana Trench discovered something truly extraordinary. Giant amoebas, known as xenophyophores, measuring up to 4 inches in diameter. These single-celled organisms, among the largest known, are found on the ocean floor, where they feed on sediment and microorganisms. Their discovery in the Mariana Trench highlights how much there is still to learn about life in this extreme environment. Xenophyophores are remarkable not only for their size, but also for their ability to accumulate high concentrations of heavy metals, such as lead and uranium, from their environment. This ability makes them potentially useful for bioremediation, the process of using organisms to clean up pollutants. Scientists are studying xenophyophores to learn more about their biology and their potential applications in biotechnology. Section 10. The future of deep-sea exploration. The exploration of the Mariana Trench and other deep-sea environments is still in its infancy. New technologies such as remotely operated vehicles or ROVs and autonomous underwater vehicles or AUVs are allowing scientists to explore the depths with greater precision and detail than ever before. These advancements are leading to new discoveries of species, ecosystems, and geological formations. The future of deep-sea exploration holds immense promise for scientific discovery. By studying the unique adaptations of creatures living in extreme environments, scientists can gain insights into the limits of life on Earth and potentially even beyond. The deep sea also holds vast untapped resources, including mineral deposits and genetic resources, that could have significant economic and societal benefits. Section 11. Protecting the Mariana Trench, a call for conservation. As we continue to explore the Mariana Trench and other deep-sea environments, it is crucial that we do so responsibly and sustainably. The deep sea is a fragile ecosystem, vulnerable to the impacts of human activities such as fishing, mining, and pollution. It is essential that we implement measures to protect this unique and vital part of our planet. International cooperation is crucial for the conservation of the Mariana Trench and other deep-sea areas beyond national jurisdiction. By working together, we can establish marine protected areas, regulate deep-sea mining, and reduce pollution from land-based sources. The future of the Mariana Trench and the many wonders it holds depends on our commitment to its protection. It is our responsibility to ensure that this extraordinary realm remains a place of mystery and wonder for generations to come.